The last 2 years have been rough. We've been hit with crisis after crisis, and everywhere working class people are being pushed out of politics. Right at the moment that we need to fight like hell, the bosses and billionaires and their politicians and police are sacrificing us during this pandemic. It's no wonder we are exhausted and struggle to organize. But we are finding a way. We've seen huge electoral victories and labor organizing from coast to coast, including major union wins in Starbucks stores from Buffalo to Seattle. Workers everywhere are rising up, and DSA chapters and members are returning to face-to-face meetings, rallies, and canvasses. As working class people, we're fed up. As socialists, we know the answer is class struggle. No force in history is stronger than the working class taking collective action. Let's brush ourselves off and move forward together. Serious politics begins with organizing and mass movements. There are no shortcuts to building power. Join us to rebuild, re-energize, and recommit to building working class power with DSA.